Question number 2. What purchases or investments can I make to help reduce my 2024 tax amount or your 2024 taxes? All right, so that is a good question. A few things that you can do to ensure or help reduce your 2024 taxes is make sure that you are taking advantage of all of the initial deductions that are available to you. So, for example, if you are a W-2 person, you do not have a business or anything like that, make sure that you are writing off all of your appropriate charitable deductions. Make sure that you are writing off any of your, goodwill donations, those types of things. And sometimes, even with the goodwill donations, sometimes people donate a house of furniture and goods and clothing. And for that, you might need a special receipt from them, or sometimes you may have to have something appraised to get the appropriate deduction value. So make sure you keep that in mind. If you're eligible to contribute to Roth IRA, well, a Roth won't actually help reduce your taxes, but if you're eligible to contribute to a traditional IRA, maybe making that contribution. There are a lot of people who have single income households, meaning maybe the wife doesn't work or the dad doesn't work because they're primary caretakers. Making sure that you're making those contributions on their behalf as well, if discretionary income allows, can also help reduce those taxable liabilities. We also have some clients who like to prepay some of their charitable contributions in advance. So depending on what they have going on in their lives financially, sometimes a client may come to us and say, hey, we're going to have a really large tax bill this year. Maybe they sold an investment. Maybe they had some unexpected money come through that's taxable. And they really need to figure out, hey, how can I eliminate my taxable liability on this money this year? Because next year, my income is going to be what it normally was, and maybe they're very much charitably inclined. They give a lot of money to charity. Sometimes we do a little charity stacking, so that could also be an additional option for you. Bottom line, make sure that you are working with someone who can help you understand the various tax brackets for the tax code and understand that, hey, certain income is taxed at this level. Another portion of your income is going to be taxed at this level. And figure out ways to bump those tax brackets down